Good morning and welcome to Smith's Nissan. My name's Daniel Hadman and I'm going to take you for a walk around the Toyota Auris Hybrid 1.8 VVT-I HSD XL that we have here in stock in used cars. I'm just coming down the near side. That's your near side front wheel. Near side, passenger side body panels. Coming down to the passenger side rear wheel. And then looking back down the vehicle, 17 plate with about 17,000 miles on it. Driver's side rear wheel. Down the rear seats. So it's just under 17,000, so it's done 16,474 miles. Back down the driver's side front wheel, and then back round to the front. If you need any more information, please do give us a call on 01733 267 606. Ask for myself, Daniel Hadman, or Ben Fennell. Many thanks.